In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Cash App. The process is straightforward, but having a clear understanding up front will ensure a smooth experience. So let's dive right in and get you started. First, you'll want to open the Cash App on your phone. Look for the distinct green $ icon and make sure you're logged into your verified account. If you haven't yet verified your account, you'll need to complete that process before continuing with any transactions, as it's essential for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Cash App balance. You can do this by tapping the Money or Bank icon, usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll be able to see your current cash balance along with any accounts you have already linked. At this point, you'll want to ensure that your Bank of America account is connected to your Cash App. For that, tap on Linked Banks and then select Link Bank. When prompted, decide if you want to connect your entire BOA account or just your Bank of America Visa debit card, depending on your preference and requirement. Next, from the list of available banks, select Bank of America. A login screen will pop up asking for your Bank of America online ID and passcode. It's vital to enter these details precisely, as this step allows Cash App to securely connect to your bank using Plaid, which is a trusted method for linking financial accounts. After entering your credentials, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve receiving a security code via phone or email, or even going through multi-factor authentication using the Bank of America app. These extra security steps are crucial in protecting your financial information, so make sure to complete them. With your Bank of America account now linked, you can proceed to transfer money. Return to the Cash App home screen and tap Add Set. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer, whether it's $50 or another amount of your choosing, and tap Add. Finally, you'll be asked to choose your Bank of America account or debit card as the funding source for this transfer. Confirm your choice, and the transaction will be processed. And there you have it. Money transferred seamlessly from your Bank of America account to Cash App. Remember to double check each step as you go to ensure accuracy and security throughout the transaction. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel confident transferring money between your Bank of America account and Cash App. Thank you for watching and have a great day.